9 easy steps on how to book home service professionals on the ServHub mobile app. Step 1. Download the ServHub app. Get the ServHub app from the Google Play Store or App Store for free. Step 2. Sign up. Create your account in seconds using your email or phone number. Simple and secure. Step 3. Select a service. Select a service. Who do you want to hire? The ServHub app has over 40 different home services. Step 4. Check out the description of the selected service. Explore the details, requirements, and other things you need to know about the selected service. Step 5. Add to cart. Found the services you need? Tap Add to Cart to proceed to checkout. Step 6. Check out your service booking details. Go through your booking billing summary to confirm the amount, location, etc. Step 7. Confirm your order before checkout. Double-check your cart and order details to make sure everything is correct. Step 8. Select payment method. Choose how you want to pay. ServHub Pay for fast in-app payment. Pay after service if you prefer paying after the job is done. Step 9. Make payment. Get ready to check out. Review your total and continue to secure payment. Download the ServHub app from the Google Play Store or App Store today.